Hi everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations. I have a walkthrough for my newest design team project. This is for Country Craft Creations and I'm using the Graphic 45 Grow with Love collection. Absolutely adore it. I have already made an explosion box with multiple different elements in it, and that one turned out amazing. And then I had some leftover papers that I wanted to use. I didn't have like as many full-size papers as I thought I was going to have after I made the explosion box, but I did have enough to make this awesome flip book. So this flip book is by Simple Stories. It is sold at Country Craft Creations, and you can get yours there. So I have links to all of the products that I use down below. So I'm going to go through here real quick, do a walkthrough, and then we will have a tutorial to follow. So in a different video, we'll do a different video for that. So anyways, I did use flowers that I created out of the scraps that were left over. So just like I shared before with my other project, I did use the Leafy Accents by Heartfelt Creations, Small Wild Rose, and the 3D Floral Basic Shaping Mold. All of these I did get at Country Craft Creations. I think it was this one is still available. I'll double check. But if these are still available, I will put links down below. But I did buy those quite a while ago. And then the Simple Stories flipbook is a 6x8 flipbook, and they are available at Country Craft Creations as well. It's again the 6x8, and it does not matter which color you get because we covered it completely. So we're going to alter it completely. So again, it's my flipbook. This has 9 pages. I took one and kind of strategically cut it and re-added it to the project. So let's go through and I'll show you what I did. This lace is from Country Craft Creations. I've had it in my stash for quite a little while. Decorated with the flowers, and then I did use green twine that I did get from Country Craft Creations, and I was going to use it on a different project and I didn't use it, so I thought this would be really pretty because I wanted some twine on here, and the green I thought was really pretty. I decorated with a sticker. It says this garden is my happy, or the garden is my happy place. This is a butterfly chipboard sticker that I bumped up with a little foam tape, and then I did a little collection of flowers with a leaf down here with a little butterfly. The buttons also came from Country Craft Creations, and I got a bunch of them in my design team package, so I tried to use them. So that's the cover. It's pretty simple. The outside cover, I just left it with the one paper. Got fuzz all over everything. And then one of the chipboard stickers, good gravy. I don't know, things are falling from the sky. One of the chipboard stickers in the middle, and I just left the back plain, okay? So when you open this up, on the front inside cover, I created a gatefold page, and I do a tutorial. I'll show you how to do that. I'm going to show you how to cover the flip book. So like I said, no matter what color you get, we're going to make it our own. So this is closed with this booklet here. Used one of the paper collections, and then some banana split Artisan cardstock. I used black and I used banana split in this package and in this design, and it just turned out really pretty. So that is holding the gatefold shut. I used one of the chipboard stickers here, and then this opens up. You have photo opportunities here and a big photo mat here. Chipboard sticker here, and then this is one of the cut apart pieces. This is a chipboard sticker, or no, excuse me, this one's a chipboard sticker. This one is a chipboard piece that I put here, and then it is so that you could stick a picture underneath that. So you have this nice little gatefold area here, and you could of course add, you know, other things in the pockets. These will hold quite a little bit. This first page here decorated with this strip of pattern paper that I did use an edge punch on. This is from my stash, but I've had this for a while. This is my favorite punch. I love it. So I did a border edge here, made the flower, and put some more twine here. And then this is where I took one of the pages, and I'm going to show you how to do this and cut it and then re-add it to another page so that you can create a nice little flip. So when you do flip it, you have 2 photo opportunities here. Then when you turn the page, The rest of it is attached to the page on the back side. So you have kind of a half page here. Back here is a photo mat, and then I put chipboard sticker on top of the page protectors. So that worked out really good. I'm going to talk you through how to do that. So then you have a couple little, just cute little photo mat and journaling opportunities here. On this page, it's a 4x6 page. So I created a pocket here that flips up. You have photo mats here, and it does tuck into the pocket. In the pocket in the front, I cut out some of the seed packets, and then I also, with the leftover pattern paper that I had, I created a little photo booklet. And on the front here, I used one of the frames, and I put it on top of a piece of the pattern paper because I like the flower, and just put that there as a title kind of spot for the front of that. And then this is one of the journal cards, and then I just put one of the chipboard sticker tags on it, just a little tab to pull it out, because on the back you can do some journaling. Here we have a photo mat opportunity with some of the stamp cut-aparts, and then some of the border cut-aparts, and a nice picture frame opportunity here. Here's a page that has the 4 3x4 paper pieces. I did another one of the frames around a photo, and then this flips up for more photos. Couple of the journaling cards, so you can journal on this side, and then this says friends or flowers in the garden of life. Then when you turn it over, we have another one of the photo mat flips, and again, more journaling and more photo opportunity here. Here's another photo flip here, and then this is a full-size piece that I put on here. You can do a little journaling here, and then turn it over, and then again, one of these. This one is a fun one because the frames are actually stuck, what is that, to the front of the page pocket. And then they are placed strategically so that, let me show you, if I can get my fingers to work. When you pull this out, you have the photo mats, and you can put your picture there, and then when you put your photos in, they are automatically framed with the chipboard frames. I did add 2 more of the chipboard tags with twine, and then a button here for decoration. Then on this side, I'm going to show you how to add a cut apart to make a flip. So this flip is attached to the outside of the page. Chipboard sticker here over top, and then again, the photo mat is inside the page. This page is just a simple page that I put the journaling cards in, and then added the second little chipboard tab that was there. And you have, again, some journaling and some photo opportunities if you want. Then on this page here, I decided to do a photo flip with a full-size page. So you have a 4x6 kind of photo opportunity here. I used a border sticker, border papers here, and then the chipboard sticker on the top. To put the stickers on the top of the page protectors, you do need to use score tape because glue will not work for that. But it gives another element. You can put a picture behind this page, but the little boots will stay right there, and then they will kind of be kind of a quarter accent to that page. So I thought that's kind of fun. I did add a flower here with one of my buttons. And then on this side, there's 2 photo mats here inside the frame, and then on top is one of the chipboard tags that I tied some twine to, and then put it on top of the photo page, on top of the plastic. Here, this is another one of the 4 pocket pages, but I took and made a flip out of the 2 here. So you have a 4x6 kind of flip here, and then 2 3x4 flip, or pages here inside of the pockets. Photo mat here with some of my flowers, and then a chipboard sticker here. And I did use the talc that is sold in the store to unstick it, so you can slide a picture, underneath it. And that worked out really well. I did add a butterfly sticker on top of the page protector here, so it's just kind of on top of that. And then, underneath here, I did add, again, the wreath of tulips here, and did it so you could slide a picture underneath. And then this is on top of the page protector, so the pictures will be underneath that. Turn the page here, and then you have photo mat opportunities here. This page here is another flip. It's a 4x6 flip. So you have the photo opportunity here, you have this, and then this flips open, and then you have another gatefold, and I'll show you how to put those pages on. They're just real simple add-ons, and I loved these seed packets, so I just had to use them. Photo opportunity here. On the back of this, this happens to be the back page. There is almost a full page flip, so I wanted to have a piece in the pocket and then have a flip here. So there's opportunity for photos here, here, and underneath this border, you can slide your picture. And then when you open it, then you have the black photo mats here and here. And that is our last page. On the inside of the back page, I created a pocket. I'll show you how to do that. Added some of the chipboard stickers here and here. And then inside, I put in some of the extra cut-aparts that I had left over. And then I took one of the photo frames, put it on cardstock, and then added a photo mat inside and added one of my little flowers there. So that's kind of a neat way to use up your frames. I have a couple more that I can probably use, but I wanted to put that in there as well. I love the purple, so I wanted to kind of add the purple in there. So you can see the little spacers that I did kind of, I did make some spacers, that's what I should say. I made some spacers, put them in front of and in between every single page. So I made 10 of those, and I'm going to show you that at the end of the tutorial what I did so that it wouldn't alligator mouth as much. So that's just plain chipboard and a Sharpie pen, but it looks really good. You don't see the chipboard here because I colored it with the black Sharpie. So that is my project. I really love how that turned out. It's really pretty. And yeah, so thank you for watching this walkthrough. The next video will be the tutorial on how I put all of the elements together. Now, I usually do like a cut guide in my descriptions of my videos. I'm not going to have that for the tutorial this time because this project was using up scraps. So I will go through every single element. I will show you how to make it. I will tell you the measurements of everything on camera while I'm doing it and explain exactly how to put like this together, how to cut it, all that stuff, but I won't have a written guide because it was really, it's going to depend on what you have left over. I will go through all of it in the video, so get your pen and paper ready and write down the measurements and all that stuff. And yeah, I will see you again really soon with a tutorial on how I put all of this together to make this gorgeous, gorgeous journal. I just think it's absolutely beautiful. I really do. I like how this turned out. This would be great for someone coming up Mother's Day, someone who is in love with their gardens, making notes about their garden, pictures about their garden. They could even take this apart and add paper to it and do some, journaling to that too. So that's another idea. So there you go. That's it. And I will see you soon with the tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.